Good morning, students. Students, till now I have taught you about the letters, words, and now today I will teach you about the sentence. Students, do you know? To know any language, it's necessary to know about the letters, words, sentence, and paragraph because these are the four stages to know about any language. There are the four stages. Number one is to know about the letters. Number two is the words. Number three is the sentence. And number four is the paragraph, in which sentence plays the main role in any language. And I have told you that combination of the meaningful letters is called words, and combination of the meaningful words is called sentence, and combination of the meaningful sentence is called paragraph. Now I will tell you about this sentence. The group of meaningful words arranged in the correct order is called sentence. And the most important thing is to know how to form correct sentence. The sentence in English language consists of 8 important roles, 8 important parts. Which is helpful to make the sentence. These are: number one, subject. Number two is the verb. Number three is the noun. Number four is the action verbs. And number five is adverb. Number six is prepositional phrases. And seven is the clauses. And number 8 is the non-finite clauses. These are the 8 parts which are helpful to make the sentence. Now, student, do you know what is the simplest sentence and what does every sentence need? सबसे सिंपल सेंटेंस क्या होता है और किसी भी सेंटेंस को बनाने के लिए क्या किस चीज़ की आवश्यकता होती है? Every sentence needs verb. Every sentence needs verb. Verb is very important for formation of the sentence. As in the imperative sentence, I have told you that when you tell someone to do something in which you is hidden, जब किसी imperative sentence में you छिपा रहता है या understood होता है, and it is understood that it was said to some second person. For example, see the example number 1, stop. Here this is the complete sentence because stop is told to some other person, someone else to stop. And here you see run. Run is also a complete sentence which is telling to someone to run. So these are the simplest sentence. And if we want to make larger than this, यदि इससे बड़ा सेंटेंस बनाना है, then we have to add noun before verb. तो हमें इस वर्ब के पहले नाउन ऐड करना होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. उस नाउन को हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. मीन्स बाय एडिंग subject before verb. For example, you can see here, for example, he runs. He runs. Here he is subject and runs is verb. He is subject and runs is verb. See more example. Number 2 example you see here. The sun rose. Here the sun is the subject and rose is the verb. So by adding subject before the verb, you can make the larger sentence than the simplest one. Now to make a larger sentence than this, इससे भी बड़ा sentence बनाने के लिए we have to add some more words, or you can say we have to add some objects. They may be noun, adverb, adjective, action verb, prepositional phrases, clauses, and non-finite clauses. So, by adding, here you see, by adding subject, verb, and object. By adding subject, verb, and object. Here, object means these three parts. You can say these are the three parts which makes the largest sentence. Here, objects means you can say this describes about the sentence, about the subjects. Now, see the example. For example, Mohan runs very fast. I am writing here. Very fast in the playground. In the playground. Here you see Mohan is a subject. Runs here verb, and very fast is the adverb of manner, how he is running. And in the playground, here you see adverb of place where he is running. So by adding more words, you can make the sentence larger. See one more example. Govind reads quite clearly. Quite clearly. Here you see Govind is a subject, reads verb, and this is adverb and this is adverb. Here adverb is defining to the adverb. So this is the subject, verb, and these are the other words which by adding we can make the sentence large. Now you have learned that to make sentence in English language needs three parts. That here you see, to make this sentence in English language needs three parts. Number one is subject. Now see here, to make sentence in English language needs three parts. Number one is subject, number two is verb, and number three is object. So in the next video I will tell you what comes in subject and what comes in verb and what comes in object. Okay, thank you. Jai Gurudev.